Pero alam nyo ba, hindi dapat to first wedding anniversary. It should have been the third wedding anniversary. Our original wedding date is June 18, 2023. Welcome to the day 15 of trying to get back on my feet. So medyo delay yung posting ko kasi ang dami nangyari nung Sabado-Linggo. Specifically nung Sabado, Saturday, which is first wedding anniversary namin ni Mai. Actually, I'm planning something for months, but of course, nawala yung plano na yun dahil sa mga recent events na nangyari. So what we did is we spent time with our family both sides, and I think it was an anniversary well spent. Pero alam nyo ba, hindi dapat to first wedding anniversary. It should have been the third wedding anniversary. Our original wedding date is June 18, 2023. So hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo, but I'll give you a clearer view of what was engraved on our rings, which is yung original wedding date at hindi na namin pinabago yon. The main reason for the postponement of our first wedding date is the loss of Mai's grandmother. In fact, isa siya sa pinaka-ina-expect namin dun sa wedding namin because super close siya kay Mai, and of course, para sa isang lola, you want to see your apo walk down the aisle. Unfortunately, she joined our creator months before the wedding, and people will probably link it with the pamahiin or the superstition called sukob. Now, superstition and beliefs aside, if you really think about something logically, most of them wouldn't apply, but we still practice them. And while I'm trying to understand both sides, both logical and the cultural root or origin of sukob, I think what matters most is the peace of mind of my wife. Na may sukob or wala, ang hirap ipagpatuloy nung isa sa pinakamasayang araw sa buhay namin with a heavy heart. And I think that's what matters most. Your peace of mind. Na all superstition, beliefs, and cultural practices are okay as long as it gives you peace and it doesn't affect other people negatively. Same goes sa pagtalon sa bagong taon, paglalagay ng bilog tuwing New Year, paglalagay ng condom sa wallet, or hindi pagtitake ng picture sa oble sa UP before mag-graduation. Na by the end of the day, sa dami ng mga pinapaniwalaan natin, we still have our free will, we still do the things that will make us happy and will make us feel at peace. So, happy first wedding anniversary to my wife, Mai. First, kasi madami pang susunod. Kasi it's just day 15.